All right, welcome to the Signet podcast. A lot of you may not know, but making loans is intuition as well. It's not just numbers on a balance sheet or numbers on an income statement. Take a look at what Max has to say about using his intuition to make loans and how maybe this could help you get a loan as well. It's not all check marks, you know.
There's so much gray. And like we were talking about earlier, you can have one company that'll do a loan that 2 or 3 other companies won't.
Right.
You have guidelines, right? But it's not just check the box. It is how do you interpret the guideline, and are you meeting the guideline?
Okay.
And that's, we always say the mortgage industry is not black and white. And if you can't live in the gray, you shouldn't be in the mortgage business.
Right. Yeah.
It's really how do you interpret things, and can you sell what you're interpreting to a third party?
I use intuition, or brokers, or investors. You sometimes have to have a feel of the market, of how much you can push it, what rents will be when you're done with a construction project. I didn't know how intuition plays in being a loan person.
Oh yeah, certainly. Like if you're looking at this weird deal or this tough deal, you're definitely asking the question: do I think this guy's or this lady's going to pay this mortgage? Right? Like if I get stuck holding this loan, are they going to make the payments on it?
Right. Okay.
And that definitely plays into it, and that'll definitely kind of sway where in the gray you are and how you're interpreting a guideline.
Hey guys, if this video added value to your real estate thinking, forward it to somebody who you think it could help. Really means a lot for the channel, and I'm really trying to make it grow right now, so that would be great.